Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video we will see how can we use the grab and move tool of PowerToys. So let's dive in to the demonstration. To use the grab and move tool of PowerToys, go to the windowing and layout section and click on grab and move. Now enable the tool from here and you will be able to use this activation key in order to use the tool. To move the window, press and hold the activation key and then press and hold the left click and then you will be able to move the window by dragging the mouse. Similarly, to resize the window, press and hold the activation key, press and hold the right click from the mouse and you will be able to resize the window according to your needs. Now, if you wish, you can change the activation key from here and you can change these settings according to your needs. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.